Hey guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to send crypto from Binance to Exness. So first of all, you need to log into your Binance account. Then you need to go to your wallet in the top right and go to your spot account where you have available crypto. So for example, you're sending USDT from Binance to Exness. You need to find USDT in the list and you need to click these three dots on the right side and then select withdraw. Now you need to paste the wallet address from Exness and you need to select the network, guys. So this is the guide how you can find your USDT address on Exness. So first of all, you need to log into your Exness account. And once you will log in, you need to navigate to the deposit section. And there you need to select USDT. And this is very important, guys. You need to choose the network. The most popular one is TRC20, so you can choose the TRC20. There are low fees. So once you will choose the network, then you need to copy the wallet address and go back to Binance. After that, you need to paste the wallet address right here and you need to select the network. So we have chosen the TRC20 network and it will be the first, guys. So you need to choose the network and then you need to choose the amount of USDT you're going to send. For example, minimum withdrawal is 10. So for example, 15. And as you can see, guys, there are some fees. So there's a fixed fee, $1, 1 USDT. If you send 1000 USDT, the fee will be the same, guys, only 1 USDT. So if everything is correct, click this withdraw button right here, finalize the transaction, and in a few minutes you can check your balance on Exness. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.